Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be attempting to do something a little bit sketchy. We're going to be driving that car, at least, back that way. So what's so sketchy about this? Well, as you guys can see, I'm still not done with the wiring harness and everything. So I got this thing going on. Now the intent is just to figure out whether or not my adapter actually works. I really want to know if that works. Because, yeah, if that doesn't work, this whole thing is basically no good. The other part is I do need to move the car to the left a little bit. When I kept jacking it up, it's kind of bringing the car to the right, and now we're super tight. And I do need to move it to the left because I need to install that under, which happens to be on the driver's side right here. So let's go ahead and try this. Well, that works. Now it smells like unburnt gas up in here. Whew. Let me see. I'm gonna open the door here because. Alright, so pretty happy about that. Works. It is a little bit snappy, so I do have to rev it up a little bit more to get it going forward. Alright, guys, so that is it. I know it's a pretty short clip. I just wanted to update you guys. I'll be working on the radiator hose. So all this stuff right here. But that's gonna take me some time, and I want to get this out to you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.